coming from the BuCor sometime in 2018 requesting that the authority to release PDLs on account of expired sentences be delegated to the BuCor chief. I was unaware of this letter until fairly recently.
Who signed that request, sir?
I think it was signed by, I don't have this letter with me, Mr. Chair, but somebody definitely, a higher authority from the Bureau of Corrections requesting that it be delegated, that power, that authority. But there was no action taken by the Department of Justice in connection with that request.
So there was a letter request delegating everything that you mentioned in 953 to the BuCor director. Is that correct?
According to the draft memorandum addressed to me, this was only a draft, but it made mention of a memorandum dated June 4, 2018 from USEC Ronald Dela Rosa, Director General, Bureau of Corrections, requesting for the grant of authority for the Director General to approve or act upon the following requests enumerated in Department Order 953. So, nakalista, but the first and foremost is the release of PDLs with expired sentences. No action was taken by the department on this.
Did we get a copy of that, sir?
The letter itself will try to secure a copy.
Yes,
because
sir.
it's not with me. I'm reading the draft memorandum addressed to me in response.